Enoki mushrooms tied to listeria outbreak that killed 4 people and hospitalized 31, CDC says. Enoki mushrooms are linked to 4 deaths and 31 hospitalizations in what the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention says was a multistate listeria outbreak that is now presumed to be over. A CDC investigation found that the mushrooms were sold by H&C Food Inc, Guan's mushroom company, and Sun Hung Foods Inc. The mushrooms were supplied to these companies by the Korean company Green Company Limited and were sold between November 23, 2016 and December 13, 2019. The Green Company is likely the source of the outbreak, the CDC said. In April, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration put the company on an import alert and H&C Foods recalled the mushrooms that had been supplied by that company. The Korean Ministry of Food and Drug Safety had also found listeria in Enoki mushrooms produced by 2 firms from that country. Sanitized surfaces that came in contact with mushrooms in the U.S., the 36 illnesses were across 17 states. 2 deaths were in California, and there was 1 death each in Hawaii and in New Jersey. There were also 6 cases involving pregnant women that resulted in 2 miscarriages. The mushrooms should be past their shelf life now, so they should not be for sale any longer, and the outbreak should be over as of Tuesday, the CDC said. But if someone did have the mushrooms in their kitchen, the agency said it is important to wash and sanitize any surfaces and containers that may have come into contact with the recalled mushrooms. The listeria bacteria can survive in refrigerated temperatures and can also spread to other surfaces in food. Listeriasis symptoms usually don't show up until about a week to 4 weeks after someone eats contaminated food. Some people have even reported symptoms 70 days after they were exposed to the bacteria. Symptoms include a headache, a stiff neck, loss of balance, confusion, and aches and fever. Pregnant women typically only get a fever and other flu-like symptoms, but a listeriasis infection can lead to a miscarriage. Click subscribe to receive the latest news.